Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make money with AI generated stock photos. We're gonna go through the demand of stock photos, selling on Adobe Stock. That's what we're gonna use for platform to sell our generated images, and setting up an Adobe Stock account, obviously, the rules of uploading an AI content there, the tips of successful stock photos, and we're gonna use MidJourney for image generation. We're gonna create trending content, generating and selecting images, uploading and keywords optimization for your images, and how to build up a portfolio, obviously. So let's get started. So there is large of demand of businesses to purchase those kind of stock photos. If we go to shopping here, some businesses use those images on their website or then their advertising and social media. If we click in one image and say, oh my God, this license for this image will cost $67 US. So with AI today, we gonna create similar image and start to sell on Adobe Stock, which is Adobe now allow AI generated images or photos to be published in their website. Well, first of all, you're gonna sign up for Adobe Stock Account and click on sell. And here you see I just create an account here in Adobe Stock. As you see, available amount is 0. We just create this account. So let's start to generate our first AI image that's gonna sell. So in my opinion, MidJourney is the best AI generated photos available today, but you could try with DALL-E 3. Go to join the beta and it takes you got the invitation for MidJourney. For now it's a beta, so it's on Discord server. So I'm gonna show you how to use MidJourney in Discord as well. So when you receive the MidJourney invitation, you're gonna get the server here for MidJourney, and you can see people generating different kind of photos here. What you have to do is to add MidJourney to your server, so you can you skip all this feed here. To skip all this feed with all people generating photos. What you have to do is, if you don't see this bar, you just click here and you add MidJourney as an application, and you choose your server and hit continue. I have already done that, so I have MidJourney here on this my server online here. And the first thing we're gonna do is to set settings for our image that we're gonna generate. So we go /settings, we're gonna hit enter, and the most important is to choose the V6 version 6 of MidJourney. Now you can pause the video and screenshot the settings. It should be raw mode, stylus low, high variation mode, public mode, and fast mode. You can take screenshot of this one, and now we're gonna choose a photo that we're gonna generate a similar one to it. And let's hit back to stock image, Adobe Stock, and we're gonna look for an image that we like, and we're gonna generate a similar one to it. I'm gonna go with people, business people, which is used by many businesses, and I'm gonna go with this image. So what we're gonna do now is to take screenshot of this image, and we go to GPT-4 and we're gonna attach the image, and we're gonna say describe this image in 1 sentence. We're gonna send that one to ChatGPT, give us a prompt for our MidJourney to generate a similar image. Too professional, a man and a woman are collaborating intently over a laptop in a modern office setting. Now it's giving me two responses and I'm gonna choose which one I prefer. Two professionals, a man and a woman, are engaging in a discussion while looking at the laptop screen in an office setting. That sounds good. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna copy this text, okay? And we're gonna hit back to MidJourney and we're gonna do /imagine and we're gonna paste our prompt there and we're gonna do -AR standing for aspect ratio and we're gonna do 3:2 and we're gonna wait for our image to generate by MidJourney. MidJourney give you 4 version. As you see, the four images start to generate here. As you see, 0%, 15%, and so our images start to look good here, and it's almost done by 93%. And let's see what we get. Wow, those are cool images, looking super realistic. Okay, so I'm happy with the image number 4. What we're gonna do now is to upscale number 4. As you see here, U1, U2, U3, U4. This means upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, upscale 4. V1, V2, V3, V4. This means give you another version of the V1, V2, V3, V4. Since we are happy with the number 4, we're gonna upscale it. Upscaling like this, and we see it looks better, but we need a high resolution one. That's mean we're gonna upscale it for real so we can be able to publish it on Adobe Stock. We're gonna do the subtotal here, upscale subtotal. Okay, since we're happy with our image, we're gonna save it and we're gonna go to our dashboard or our profile here and we're gonna upload the image. After uploading our image, we're gonna make sure to select create using generative AI, and people and properties are fictional. So for the title, we're gonna use our prompt, two professionals engaging in office. So, and we're gonna paste our title there. Now for the keywords, we're gonna use ChatGPT again, and we're gonna use this GPT plugin. It's called Stock Photo Keywords by West Frank. And what we're gonna do is to upload the image and it will give us the keywords that we're gonna use. So this is our keywords and we're gonna copy them and we're gonna go back to Adobe Stock and we're gonna paste them on the keywords section. So now we have all our keywords. We just gonna submit. Since we have everything, it's on place, we can submit. You're gonna agree for the term and the conditions and we submit our photos. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.